Good morning, children. So, coming to your class today I have a story to you. The Young Man and the Monster. You know what is a monster? Monster क्या है मालूम? ब्रह्म राक्षस. Have you ever seen the serial ब्रह्म राक्षस? बड़ा सा राक्षस रहता ना monster. పెద్ద దయ్యం మనుషుల్ని తినేస్తుంది monster. That is called monster. Okay? Today I am going to explain you the story. I'll just tell you the story. Long ago there was a king named Vikramaditya. Vikramaditya. That was the name of a king. Long ago there lived a brave and just ruler named King Vikramaditya. He ruled the kingdom called Avantika. His kingdom name, वो like Mahishmati. Mahishmati का ruler कौन है? Who was the king of Mahishmati? भल्लाला देवा. Yes, but उसमें very brave वाला कौन है? बाहुबली. The king of Mahishmati was भल्लाला देवा, but their brave king was Bahubali. Yes, here there was a brave king named Vikramaditya. And the kingdom name was Avantika. So one day what happened, the king was very kind hearted and he used to help all the people in his kingdom. उसके राज्य में वाడి राज्యంలో ఎంతమంది ఉంటారో అందరినీ వాడు హెల్ప్ చేసేవాడు. He was a very good person. One day one old man came to him. One old man came to him and he asked help. One day when Vikramaditya is sitting in his court, an old sage entered. An old man entered. He said, "O king, I need your help. There is an evil celestial tree spirit, Vetal, who lives in the forest." That old man आया और बोला, "My dear king, O king, I need your help. मेरे को help करो. There is a celestial tree spirit." मतलब वो जो झाड़ों पे रहते हैं ना, भूत स्पिरिट, भूत रहते हैं ना, आत्मा रहते हैं कदा दयालु. सो देर इज अ सेलेस्टियल ट्री स्पिरिट. इट्स नेम इज वेटल. वेताल हम बोलते हैं ना, बेताल बोलते हैं ना, बेताल उड़टम. दैट इज वेताल. ओके, वेताल इन अ टैमरिन ट्री इन द फॉरेस्ट. एक टैमरिन इमली के झाड़ पे वेताल है, भूत है, उससे हमको हेल्प करो. द स्पिरिट हैंग्स फ्रॉम टैमरिन ट्री एंड कॉज ट्रबल्स टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. वो टैमरिन ट्री पे ऐसा लटकते रहता, कहते उल्टा पैरा लगा के सर नीचे करके उल्टा लटकते रहता. एंड हुएवर द पीपल विल कम इन टू द फॉरेस्ट, उन लोगों को बहुत ट्रबल पहुंचाता, उन लोगों को बहुत सताता. He caused a lot of harm to innocent people. Now I want you to catch and bring him to me. अब वो बहुत सारे आदमियों को सताता, बहुत सारे लोगों को परेशान करता, చాలా సతాయిస్తాడు, చాలా వాళ్ళని ఇబ్బంది పెడతాడు. నా యు ఆర్ అ బ్రేవ్ కింగ్, యు ఆర్ ద కింగ్, నువ్వు కింగ్ కాబట్టి, చాలా బ్రేవ్ కాబట్టి, यू गो एंड कैच हिम. वो वेताल को पकड़ो और उसको मेरे पास लेके आओ. आई विल बी वेटिंग फॉर यू in the where cremation grounds అంటే తెలుసా, శంశాన్, ఖబ్రిస్తాన్ रहता ना, శ్మశానం ఉంటుంది కదా. the old sage said, I will be waiting you at the cremation ground. cremation ground అంటే శ్మశానం. I will be waiting for you there. तुम वो भूत को मेरे पास लेके आओ, वो वेटल को मेरे पास लेके आओ. I have some mystic powers. मेरे पास कुछ मैजिक पावर्स है, वो पावर से मैं उसको मार देता बोल के बोलो. सो दिस विक्रमादित्य एग्रीड एंड ही स्टार्टेड गोइंग टू द फॉरेस्ट. वो फॉरेस्ट में गया कई के लिए, वो वेताल को पकड़ के लाने के लिए. Thus the brave man went into the jungle to look for वेताल. वेताल को पकड़ने के लिए वो गया. Soon he found वेताल hanging upside down from the tamarind tree. So अपसाइड डाउन, पैरा ऊपर करा और सर नीचे करा, उल्टा लटक रहा कहते टैमरिन ट्री. ही हैज सीन हिम, वो देख लिया. एंड Armed with his sword, the brave king caught Vetal. The king then placed him on his shoulders, began carrying to the cremation ground. देखो आखिर में अपने तलवार से उसको मारा, पकड़ा और अपने షోల్డర్స్ पे వాడి భుజాల మీద వేసుకొని వాడిని తీసుకొస్తున్నాడు ఎక్కడికి. దట్ ओल्ड सेज बोला ना उसको स्मशान लाने के लिए, क्रीमेशन ग्राउंड को लाने के लिए वो वेताल को वहाँ पे पकड़ के लेके जा रहा. ऑन द वे वेताल सेड, अब रास्ते में వేతాల్ अपना చాలాకి షురూ కర. వాడు తెలివిగా ఇప్పుడు చూడండి దయ్యాలు ఎలా తప్పించుకుంటారు. ఎస్, మనం సినిమాల్లో చూస్తాం కదా, చిన్న చిన్న అల్లరి దయ్యాలు ఉంటాయి, అవి తప్పించుకొని పోయి జనాలందరినీ ఇబ్బంది పెడతాయి. लाइक दैट अब ये किंग उसको पकड़ लिया. किंग इज वेरी ब्रेव, उसको पकड़ लिया. पकड़ने के बाद अब वो कैसा छूटना किंग के पास से, अब वो आइडिया डाला. ओ किंग आई टेल यू अ स्टोरी. अब वो वेताल बोल रहा, वो भूत बोल रहा, मैं तेरे को एक स्टोरी बताता हूँ. आई टेल यू अ स्टोरी. इफ यू आंसर मी करेक्टली आई विल लीव यू. मैं तू अगर मेरे को सी हियर, I'll narrate a story. At the end of the story, I'll ask you a question. मैं पूरा I'll tell you a story and then I'll ask you one question. If you are able to answer me properly, I shall remain with you. अगर तुम मेरे को बराबर का आंसर बोले, प्रॉपर आंसर बोले, you have to answer me properly. If you answer me properly, I'll remain with you. मैं तेरे ही साथ आऊँगा. If you know the answer and you do not answer me, I'll crush your head. अगर if you know the answer, तुमको आंसर मालूम है, నీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలుసు అండ్ నువ్వు నాకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పలేదు, I'll crush your head, I'll break your head, నేను నిన్ను చంపేస్తాను. And if you answer correctly, I shall flee to my tree back. And if you answer me correctly, నువ్వు నాకు కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పావు, अगर तुम मेरे को सही आंसर बोल दिए, मैं मेरे ट्री पे वापस चली जाती. Here देखो, he said two things. If you answer properly, I'll come with you. Properly बोले तो वो आता कहते, wrong बोले तो वो राजा विक्रमादित्य को मार देता, अगर correct बोले तो वो फिर वापस चले जा. After saying so, वेताल began narrating the story. वो वेताल story बोलना शुरू करा. There was an, अब वो story क्या है, वेताल विक्रमादित्य को बोल रहा है एक story. क्या है वो story? There was an old man lived in a village. One day he came to the forest. The man looked around the beautiful forest. एक गांव में कहते एक ओल्ड मैन रहता था कहते, वो ओल्ड मैन once he went to the forest में गया and he was looking to the forest, very beautiful trees, greenery, वो पूरा enjoy कर रहा. Then in that forest monster मैं बोले ना, what is the monster, lesson के starting में राक्षस, एक monster came out of the trees and he started eating. He wanted to eat the old man. एक राक्षस आया वो trees में से बाहर and he wanted to eat the old man. I'm going to eat you, old man. Be prepared to die, roared the monster. अभी वो monster बोला, I'm going to eat you. मैं तेरे को मार के खा जाता हूँ. The old man trembled and said, please spare me, O great monster, and I'll provide you much better, healthier food. अब वो old man, he wanted to save himself. वो अपने आप को बचाना चाहता है. He prayed. वो उसको बहुत रिक्वेस्ट करा, प्लीज स्पेयर मी, मेरे को छोड़ दो, मैं तुमको और भी टेस्टियर एंड हेल्दियर फूड भी जाता हूँ बोल के बोलो. द मॉन्स्टर एग्रीड एंड आस्क्ड द ओल्ड मैन टू सेंड फूड और सम एल्स बट फास्टर. वो मॉन्स्टर एग्री हो गया, ओके तू मेरे को अच्छा फूड भेज जाता हूँ बोल रहा ना, ठीक है, यू गो फास्ट एंड सेंड मी द फूड. द ओल्ड मैन देन रश्ड टू हिज विलेज एंड मेट हिज यंग सन. द ओल्ड मैन वेंट बैक अप टू हिज विलेज. फॉरेस्ट में से अपने घर चला गया और उसके यंग सन, बड़ा वाला बेटे को बोला. ही नरेटेड what had happened to him and said, son, you have also been so loyal to me. I don't want to die. Please save me. वो अपने बेटे के पास, he went to his own son, अपने ही बेटे के पास गया. वाल కొడుకు దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి మొత్తం చెప్పాడు. I went to the forest, वहाँ पे एक राक्षस था, वो मेरे को खाना चाह रहा था, but I don't want to die. मैं मरना नहीं चाहता. You please save me. मतलब वो अपने बेटे को बोल रहा, मैं नहीं जाता हूँ, तुम जाओ मॉन्स्टर के पास, నువ్వు వెళ్ళి రాక్షసుడి దగ్గరికి, ఆ రాక్షసుడు నిన్ను తింటాడు, నాకు చావాలని లేదు. హీ వాంటెడ్ టు సెండ్ హిజ్ ఓన్ సన్. The young man just laughed at his father's request and agreed to save him. वो young man हंसा और अपने फादर का रिक्वेस्ट को मान लिया. ఒప్పుకొని okay daddy, I'll save you. वो सेव कर. Then he traveled into the deep forest and faced the dangerous monster. वो चला गया फॉरेस्ट में मॉन्स्टर के पास. ओ बेटा. When the monster saw the young man, he licked his lips. When the young man, such a healthier young man आया उसके सामने, he licked his lips like this. अब्बा बोल के he licked his lips. I'll eat you. तुम तो बहुत healthy हो. You'll be very delicious. నువ్వు చాలా delicious గా ఉంటావు. See, oh, this young man would have a delicious meat. He looked so healthy. Then the monster jumped on the young man. However, the young man was very healthier. वो fight करा और monster को मार दिया. See, the young man was very brave and fought the monster with bare hands. Before the evil monster could harm him, he caught his neck and killed him. Thus, the cruel monster has been killed. अब ये young है, very healthier है. He went and he fought with the monster. The monster died. Okay, he killed the monster. Thus, the cruel. At this point, Vetal stopped his story. यहाँ तक वो वेताल अब विक्रमादित्य को स्टोरी बोल रहा था ना, ये यंग मैन का और मॉन्स्टर का. He stopped the story. He stopped the story and he asked a question. वो अभी क्वेश्चन पूछा विक्रमादित्य. Now tell me, O king, why did the young boy laugh after hearing his father's request? Answer me correctly or I shall kill you. वो बोला, वेताल बोला, okay, now I have stopped. I'll ask you the question. अब तक तुम स्टोरी सुना ना. वो why did the young boy laugh when the old man आके अपने बेटे को बोला please save me, मैं मरना नहीं चाहता हूँ. Then the young man laughed. अब this Vetal is asking Vikramaditya why did he laugh. उसने क्यों हंसा. But ఎందుకు నవ్వాడు. You answer me properly. अगर तुम गलत आंसर बोले I'll kill you बोलो. Then see, the king answered. The young boy laughed as he understood how selfish and cruel the world was. So the young boy was, why did he laugh? He laughed because he understood how the selfish the world is. वो समझ गया कितना selfish है this world. His own father wanted him to kill the young man. Yes? Yes or not? वो अपने ही बेटे को मार देना चाहता because he wanted to save himself. वो खुद को बचाने के लिए अपने बेटे को मौत के लिए भिजा दिया. So that is why the boy laughed. He then understood how the selfish the world is. His own father was ready to sacrifice his own blood in order to save himself. This truth made him ever stronger and thus he defeated the monster easily. So that was the truth of the world. What is the truth? Everyone is selfish. Nobody will think of the others. Yes or not? Here his own father is selfish. He wanted to save himself. He sent his own son to the monster. Because the young boy is very strong, he killed the monster. So see, Vetal was impressed with the answer. So Vetal was very impressed with the king's answer. Oh, you have given a correct answer. वो impressed हो गया. But what had happened? Since the answer is correct, the Vetal, the ghost, went back to the tree again. Yes? Since the king had answered correctly, he returned to his place in the tamarind tree. So, king तो अपने बात से पीछे नहीं हटता. King तो बात दे दिया. And this Vetal asked, if you answered me correctly, I'll go back to my place. Here the answer is correct. He went back to his place. Yes? By this lesson, what did you understand? Everyone in the world is a selfish. Yes or not? You have to be very strong. हमेशा तुमको strong बनना पड़ता. किसी और पे don't trust anyone. You should be strong on your legs. Yes? That's all for this lesson, children. You please go through the lesson and read the lesson. I'll ask you questions from this lesson. Okay? I'll ask you questions, and today I'll give you some of the points from this lesson to you. You please write it. Today your work please write the character names from this lesson. From this lesson you write down the character names. कौन से characters थे ये lesson में? विक्रमादित्य, old sage, वेताल, young man, old man, monster. Yes? Write down the names, character names. And also first one. Write character names in this lesson. Second one. What is the name of a king? What is kingdom name? Kingdom name. Fourth question. Where did Vetal live? कहाँ पे रहता था वेताल? In a forest. और भी कहाँ पर? Tamarind tree पे. And how? वो कैसा रहता था tamarind tree पे? Upside down. You understood the whole lesson, na? I'll give you 5 questions from this lesson. You answer these 5 questions on your own. Okay? What did father tell his young son? वो क्या बोला अपने young son से? Father क्या बोला? I wanted to live. Please save me. बोला ना? Yes. You answer these 5 questions. You please read out, listen to the whole class, read out the lesson from your textbook and answer these questions. This is your work for today. Okay, children? Thank you.